In charge of the cemetery are thrilled this day has come, and they are so touched by all the community support. Propping up the repaired headstones and smoothing over the cracks, these crews are making it look like there was never any damage done here.
Kids coming through, they think it's a fun thing to do, I guess.
But no one else in Flat Rock was laughing when a 13-year-old boy damaged this historical cemetery.
All I'm seeing is Michael. I cannot tell the rest.
A place that serves as a final resting place for the family of Revolutionary War vet Michael Vreeland, including his son, a vet of the War of 1812. The boy now faces charges.
Karate kick is my understanding. We put it on Facebook, and within 2 hours we knew who had done it.
It's alleged his vandal did the damage of all times over Memorial Day weekend.
That was, I think, what hurt everybody more than anything, that it would happen in that time period.
But last month, the Flat Rock Historical Society came together to raise thousands of dollars to restore this cemetery to the way it once was.
We held a benefit dinner last month to raise the funds to get Dave Carter back. He did the original restoration 5 years ago.
Love to come out, and it's rewarding. Especially the founding fathers, the veterans, just getting them back up and making them respectable again.
And all the work here is expected to be completed today, and organizers are hoping that everyone respects this historical cemetery in the future and this never happens again. And Flat Rock, Tara Edwards, 7 Action News.